how to add Discord link to TikTok. Firstly, you need to launch the application. Then when you get up onto that file selection, simply you're gonna go on that three dots on that server selection, for example, and then what you're gonna do, simply you're gonna go for invite on that last selection site. Right from here you can take over and get a link session on it. You can share that link on it, and then you can automatically take over, for example, to TikTok, but I'm gonna go for copy to clipboard. Just this is for me the most easiest way. Now just get back from here and then simply go to your TikTok selection. And right from here, what you're gonna do, simply you're gonna go on your site selection, which is here on your profile. Yeah, just go on it. And when you get up right here on your profile selection, just go edit profile. And right from here, yeah, go edit. Now here, if you scroll down on your bio section, you can simply delete this setup and then go add the link that you have get or copied right before. Just go paste and simply go save, and that's it.